Let me show you how to connect Google Ads to Claude Opus 5 using the InsightfulPipe MCP, then run a full 30-day audit with campaign breakdowns, budget leaks, keyword issues, and a clean reallocation plan. Go to InsightfulPipe Connectors, click the Add connection, choose Google Ads, set the access level, then click the Connect button. Sign in with your Google account and grant access to InsightfulPipe. Choose the Google Ads accounts you want to connect, then click the Connect button. Connected, copy the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL. In Claude Open Settings, go to Connectors, click the Add Custom Connector, paste the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL, name it, then click the Add button. Click the Connect button on the InsightfulPipe MCP connector to authorize and link it. Connected. Now write the prompt. Ask Claude Opus 5 to analyze the last 30 days of Google Ads and build a client-friendly HTML report with campaign, keyword, and next step insights. Opus 5 architects a comprehensive 30-day Google Ads query, loads InsightfulPipe tools, then pulls the account and campaign level data. The report is created. Let's download it to see the full view. Here's the Google Ads performance review for the last 30 days. The headline is brutal. 4/5 of the budget sits in the weakest campaign and every strong one is out of money. $20,000 in spend, $96,000 in subscription revenue, a 4.83 blended ROAS, and 118 demos booked. The executive summary explains the pattern. Branded search returns 21 times, retargeting returns almost 14 times, and both starve at their daily budget caps, while global prospecting bleeds money on broad match traffic that never converts. Key findings: 6 things that matter, tagged by the size of the money involved. 80% of spend in one campaign, a 21 times branded return. $3,200 burned in 12 zero conversion countries, and returns falling as daily budget rises. The campaign performance table breaks down every delivering campaign: impressions, clicks, CTR, cost, conversions, CPA, revenue, and ROAS side by side. Then a spend curve. The account gets worse as it gets bigger. At $800 a day, it returns 3.56. Pull daily spend down to $260, and it jumps to 8.1. Push it back up to $1,100, and it collapses to 5. The daily spend against daily revenue chart shows it clearly. A reduced spend phase from July 2nd through the 8th, where spend continued but no paid sign-up was recorded. Now, where the budget leaks: Leak 1, Geography. Northern Europe, Australia, and Singapore convert exceptionally well on tiny budgets, while 12 other countries produce 0 conversions at all. Leak 2, Search terms. Broad match is reaching free tier and open source enterprise intent that the product doesn't serve. Over 5,000 clicks and $500 burned on searches that never converted. Leak 3 is mobile. Retargeting on mobile produced nothing while desktop returned 16 times. And leak 4 is a single branded keyword being shadowed by 3 duplicate variants that return nothing. Performance and data issues indicate 4 problems that affect the reliability of the numbers. $3,000 spent across 6 days that recorded no signups, a prospecting conversion rate of just 0.17%, a weak branded ad, and 150 dormant campaigns clogging navigation. Reduce cost per acquisition. Apply 60% bid adjustments to the 12 zero conversion countries. Add 3 negative keyword lists at the account level. Tighten match types on global prospecting, and pause 3 non-converting branded keyword variants. Increase return on ad spend by splitting global prospecting by product and region, capping its daily spend at $700, setting a 50% mobile bid adjustment on retargeting, and assigning a real value to demo bookings. Scale what already works. Raise branded search from $25 a day to $60, retargeting from $30 to $75, all channels, MCP demos, booking from $15 to $50, then build a Tier 1 Europe and ANZ campaign. The reallocation in one table, same total spend. Recover $3,500 a month, then redeploy it into branded search, retargeting, and demo booking. The next steps are sequenced, so measurement gets fixed before anything that depends on measurement. Days 1 to 3 verify tracking, week 1 stops the leaks, week 2 moves the money, weeks 3 and 4 rebuild the structure, then measure and extend. That's a full Google Ads audit, analyzed and reported by Claude Opus 5 with InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.